In this quick tutorial, I'm going to explain you how to use Onehash CRM. So Onehash CRM is a cloud-based CRM and ERP solution that helps businesses manage sales, marketing, support, and automation. Now, if we go to pricing, we can see that they offer different plans. So we have the plan for the CRM and ERP. So it's going to be around 640. I don't actually know what this currency is, but it's per user per month. So as you can see, this is for a yearly plan and you can save up to 20% if you choose that. Now, once you get started, you're gonna have to simply set up your organization with users, roles, and permissions. Then you can add leads and opportunities to track sales pipelines and customer journeys. Then automate tasks and campaigns with built-in workflows and email tools, and manage invoices and support tickets through the integrated ERP modules. So basically that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.